Tayo sa shop, may construction pa rin dito sa Defy Customs. And syempre, ayan na ang ating project budget. Aside from that, meron kasing pinadala sa atin ang vinyl frog. So, eto ang vinyl frog. PET na colored wrap. So, vinyl yan, pero super high gloss. Ilalagay natin yan dito sa project gastos natin. And ang malupit dun, ako ang mag-i-install nito. Again, this is the high gloss vinyls from Vinyl Frog. And i-install natin yan dito sa project gastos. So this is going to be available also here sa shop kung gusto niyo ng full wrap na colored na almost looks like paint. Thank you very much, Sir Justin of Vinyl Frog Philippines. Install natin to within the week. Ako mag-i-install, kaya abangan ninyo yun. Iba-vlog ko yun. Maraming salamat.
Well, it's that west side killer bitch. All about my paper. One hand on my yap. Screaming finger fucker hater.